Introducing the revolutionary DLFN. Modular machining has never been so flexible and fast. The DLFN's completely innovative approach to flexible line configuration allows for easy addition or changeover of modules for extreme efficiency. Raw material goes in and the processing begins, including, but not limited to, a variety of turning operations, measuring, drilling, deburring, and parts flood wash, and then exits as a finished part. In total, up to 10 modules can be combined to form a maximum 14 3/4 feet, or 4.5 meters, length of line. The DLFN occupies less than half the space of a conventional Fuji machining line. 2 machine modules are set on one standardized base module, allowing for flexible processing. Swapping out modules and machining operations is quick and easy. The DLFN features a compact design, a module-type configuration, and flexible composition. Essentially a miniature factory, the DLFN will efficiently take your workpiece from raw material to finished part. Internal work handling units allow fully automatic line configuration. Work removal is performed in 5.8 seconds. What's more, the DLFN operates with an improved takt time over other lines. Switch from drilling to turning to deburring to measuring to cleaning apart and more by simply pulling out one module and replacing it with another. Individual modules can be pulled forward to allow for ease of changeover and maintenance. DLFN modules, conveyance units, and all peripherals are operated by Fuji's original and easy-to-use Unicorn controller.